My name is Dr. Bhavish Nakaja. I am born in the UK and I did my medical training in Ireland at University College Dublin.
My name is Priyank. I'm a GP based in Canberra at the Belconnen branch. I've been here for about 6 months or so, having moved over from the UK. I'm a UK based GP, trained in London and worked in a practice in North London.
My name is Ikena Alibo. I'm a general practitioner with special interest in skin cancer and minor surgical procedures. I have been with Transact for about 4 years now and I've absolutely loved it. I didn't want to go to a big city, crowded city like London or Sydney. I was just tired of that sort of lifestyle. That's why I came to Canberra.
It was a discussion amongst us in terms of our lifestyle, our work, our careers, what the best way to go was. So we both had a look at the different systems, the UK system, the Australian system, and what the benefits of Australia and the Australian healthcare system would be to me.
The good thing with Australia is that you're a bit in charge. In terms of practice, it's the same, very similar. General practice is general practice, almost everywhere. There isn't so much bottlenecks to things that you want to do. For example, if I want to get maybe a CT scan imaging done in the morning and get the results by evening, it's simple. You can do that in Australia here, but I don't think that's very easy to do in the UK.
In regards to the NHS specifically, I felt like the GPs were getting quite overwhelmed. I felt like we were put under quite a lot of stress. It was difficult to kind of provide that clinical care that we wanted to under the time constraints that we were given.
Seeing simple patients or stressful patients, tough patients, and just being remunerated exactly the same amount. So I think here it's just great that you get to see one patient is simple and then you can get paid accordingly, or if it's someone complex, you get paid accordingly as well. More appreciative patients, a lot more flexibility in the work as well. So just a much more rewarding process essentially, and we feel a bit more at ease and a bit more calm here as well.
Because moving from the UK to Australia was a big thing, and I didn't want to move into an unknown region or something that I didn't know. Transact helped me with registrations, some of getting some of this provider number and all those sort of things. So it was very seamless, introducing me to best practice and some of this sites that you would use to make your job easy. So it wasn't very difficult at all. I think it was simple and easy.
They were very good at getting you from step A to B to C to D, and also liaising with the different agencies where required as well. So you didn't kind of feel lost in that process because they were helping you through the process, and they were happy to not just support your career but your life when you made the move from banking to accommodation to transport and what you need to kind of do to help you along the way. So that was really reassuring, and luckily for me I haven't felt isolated. I've always felt well supported.
In Australia here, I've been able to manage my time, so I decide when I want to work and when I want to rest. Work-life balance is good. The weather is nicer, so you have more things to do. Yeah, the kids like it. They're in school now. They're all in school. They like it. They like the outdoor activities that we do here.
The ability to kind of manage the workload the way you want to, and do you want to work weekends, weekdays, what hours do you want to work? There was a lot more independence in the way you work. So that was quite eye-opening. It's got really good schools and external activities that you want to do, like museums, parks.
My wife and I both GPs with Transact, and we're both enjoying it a lot. My son's 2 years old and he joined his daycare about a month or two after we joined as well, and he's really enjoying it. And I think he seems happier as well here. So yeah, and I think with that we're all happier too. It would have been helpful to have someone in the company that we're applying for as well to sort of speak to them about our work-life balance and about what the activities are, what the expectations are as well. So yeah, I'm more than happy to answer any questions.
Reach out through Transact, and I'm happy for my contact details to be passed on for any advice.
I'm more than happy to have a chat with anybody. My doors are open. Anyone, anytime. All we need is just to send me a text and introduce yourself, and then I would have a chat. I'll pretty much pick the phone and ring you and tell you all the things that you need to know.